Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to turn off Wi-Fi in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The fastest way to turn Wi-Fi off is to go to the shortcuts menu here. It's usually the first icon by default. And now our Wi-Fi is turned off. Alternatively, we can go to our settings menu here, connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And here we have our option. To turn it off, we can just tap it here and it's turned off. Tap it once again and it's turned on. Let's leave it turned off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.